We believe organized, functional, and beautiful spaces enhance people's lives. The garage holds items that lead to adventure, leisure, and family time. Gorgeous garage dealers create storage systems to help people maximize life's most valuable commodity, time, so they can spend less time searching and more time doing. Each system is customized to suit each homeowner's lifestyle, aesthetic, and budget. Our shelving, cabinets, ceiling racks, slat wall, and flooring are made with industrial-grade materials to last for years to come. The process starts with a free consultation to assess your storage needs. You then collaborate with a storage consultant to create the ideal solution in a 3D model. Once approved, the installation team makes the model a reality. In as little as one day, your new garage will be ready to use. Find the peace of mind that comes with being organized by contacting your local Gorgeous Garage dealer.